Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Zelle split payments. Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. Splitting payments on Zelle is a convenient way to divide bills with friends, family, or roommates. To split a payment on Zelle, start by opening the Zelle app and selecting the new payment option. Next, enter the recipient's email address or mobile number and the amount you want to send. Before confirming the payment, click on the Split Payment option. Here, you can enter the number of people you want to split the payment with, and Zelle will automatically calculate each person's share. You can also add a memo to the payment, which is a good idea to describe what the payment is for. One of the best practices when splitting payments on Zelle is to clearly communicate with the other parties involved. Make sure everyone knows how much they owe and when the payment is due. You can also use the memo field to add a note about the payment, such as what it's for and when it's due. Another best practice is to double-check the payment details before confirming the split payment. This includes the recipient's email address or mobile number, the amount, and the number of people you're splitting the payment with. It's also a good idea to set a deadline for the payment, so everyone knows when they need to send their share. You can do this by adding a note to the payment, or by following up with the other parties involved. In addition, consider setting up a group chat or message thread to discuss the payment and any issues that may arise. This will help keep everyone on the same page and ensure that the payment is split fairly and efficiently. By following these best practices, you can use Zelle to split payments easily and efficiently, and avoid any potential issues or disputes. Remember to always clearly communicate with the other parties involved. Double-check the payment details, and set a deadline for the payment. With these tips, you'll be able to use Zelle to split payments like a pro.